Hi everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off location tracking step by step. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you can control privacy and security options. If your phone uses Google Android, scroll down and tap on Location. At the top of the screen, you will see a location switch. Turn this switch off to stop location tracking. If you are using an iPhone by Apple, go to Privacy and Security in Settings, then tap Location Services. At the top, turn the switch off. If you don't want to turn off location completely, you can control it for specific apps. Tap on App, Access to Location, or scroll down to the app list. Choose the app you want, then tap Don't Allow to stop location access for that app. Finally, close the Settings app. Your location tracking is now turned off. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.